everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm so excited to show you a really fun makeover for my children's shared bedroom. So all three of my children share one bedroom, and so it's lacking in storage. And I thought it'd be really fun to update an old dresser to fit their room and to give them a space to add their Barbies, their art supplies, whatever. So Photowall sent me their amazing wallpaper, and I thought it'd be really fun to add that wallpaper to the dresser. So if you want to see the very simple way to use Photowall's amazing wallpaper to update your own dresser, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start playing with Photowall's wallpaper, wall murals, or art prints. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.